You guys taking bets?
I was close. He's gonna make my thing.
3, 2, 1. Look, these people didn't know they were going to get a show with their lunch. How cool for them. Well, maybe traumatizing. What's up, everybody? This week we are back at Arlene'S truck stop in Battle Creek, Michigan for what would be episode 3. Now, if you have not been following along, Arlene'S has a not-so-secret menu with giant meals that very few people have ever been able to complete. Now, my goal is to become the first person ever to finish all 5 secret menu items. So far, we've knocked off both of their breakfast meals. Go check those videos out if you haven't. But today we are taking on the first of 2 burger challenges, the Godfather.
Burger patties are pretty good.
Yeah, it was my first time ever having something other than breakfast food here, but the burger was awesome. So the Godfather, it comes with 4 big burger patties, 8 slices of bacon, 4 slices of cheese, tons of veggies, 2 mozzarella sticks, and then about a pound or so of fries. Like before, no time limit, nothing official.
That's hot. That's hot. It's hot.
It looks like it's cooked good.
Nice and pink.
You would think with over 50 food challenges under my belt, I'd learn to let my food cool down, but nope. And yes, my burger patties, they were cooked perfect. Overcooked burger patties, to me, it's like the worst thing ever when it comes to food challenges. I ordered my burger patties medium rare. That's exactly what they were, so 0 complaints. They were perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, Misty was on it. She's waited on us a couple times when doing these challenges. She does also follow the platform, so that's my girl. But yeah, I made sure to tell her that we were coming in, and I was pretty excited when I found out that she'd be there too. Alright, about 6.5 minutes in and finishing up the last burger patty, then just the veggies, bottom bun, and fries left, so not doing too bad. Getting back to the secret menu items here, after today, assuming I finish this, there will be 2 left, which I still need to attempt. The second burger one, which is called the dump truck, instead of a stacked burger like this, it's like a giant burger patty. Only a very few people have ever finished it. And then lastly is a 6-pound burrito. Let me know down below in the comments which one I should attempt next. I'm excited for both, so it's no sweat off my back either way.
Almost.
All the burger patties are gone. Veggie salad.
You guys taking bets?
I was close. He's gonna make my thing.
Better hurry, our waitress is hoping for your time.
I don't know if that's gonna happen.
You better work it.
Yeah, 10 minutes might not happen, but I think overall I'm still doing okay. Alright guys, we are pretty much at the finish line of this one, so I will shut up and leave you here. Again, let me know which secret menu item I should attempt next, the giant burger or that 6-pound burrito. With that guys, if you made it this far, thank you as always for watching. Stick around to see what amazing desserts Amy whipped up today, and we will catch you in the next one.
Thank
I got
you
strawberry
so
back
much.
there, I got blueberry lemon back there, and I got nutter butter peanut butter. Which one?
Which one did we not have last
The
time?
nutter butter
Nutter
peanut
butter peanut
butter.
butter. Got the
You're gonna love this. Yeah, try it.